Let's draw with AstroDraw. Hi, I'm Yasmin and I'm here to teach you how to draw Hello Kitty. Let's start drawing together. To get started, let's start by drawing Hello Kitty's head. Start by drawing two triangular shapes for the ears, and then a circle for the face. Next, on the right, draw a circle to make a cute bow. Continue drawing the nose, then the smiling eyes, and some lines for the mustache. Now let's move on to the body. Draw a square like this. Then draw the left arm. Then draw the collar. And the other arm. Also draw the small buttons. For the legs, draw only semicircles on each leg. Excellent! This is cute. Drawing is done. It's time to color Hello Kitty. Red for the cute ribbon. Yellow for the nose and undergarments. Blue for outerwear. Wow, this is super adorable! And there you have it, a simple and adorable Hello Kitty drawing. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.